Just how much stuff can you fit in a VW T5 campervan? Well, today I'm going to give my van a spring clean and show you how much junk I have in it. Now the van's clean, I can have a cup of tea and then empty it all out and clean all the inside. I think I need to minimise. I use a cushion cover and I put the pillowcase, hang on, actual pillow in half in the cushion cover, so it looks like a cushion and can be used as a cushion, and at night time you just pull it out and use it as a pillowcase. But sometimes it gets in the way and the kids don't want to use it and they just lob it behind the seat, and then I open the tailgate and it all falls out. So I've decided, my mother, thank you Mum, has put some Velcro here, and we're going to stick the Velcro so that it sticks to here, so it can just be pulled off. So we'll see if it works. And I've been thinking about my daughter, who's really tall and says that a pillow keeps falling off. So I'm going to create, I don't know if it's going to work, a section here, sorry, this bit here. I'm going to do a template and do a wooden board that will just pull out so that half of the section can be used for pillow and other stuff while the pop top's down. I'll let you know how I get on. So this is the template. I'm going to cut a piece of wood, cover it in this carpet, and then it will slide under the pop top mattress when not in use, still leaving access to exit the pop top. Come to the front seat way. What's your back?
Why is it on a slant?
What the?
It's slanted.
Because we're on the driveway at home. So you lie there.
So I can actually sit on it.
You can, but I think it's ideal for lying down and having an extra place to. You would put your pillow there, obviously. You can see just behind me, it's down brilliantly. I'm really chuffed. I'll put a link in the description for the carpeting. It came with its own spray glue. It was brilliant, really easy, and it's just plywood. So I think that's a great idea. I'm quite chuffed.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Maps, notepads, instructions, some gloves for litter picking, some masks and sanitizer. This is for my mobile to put around my neck if I'm just going for a walk, and this is a charger for phones. Walkie-talkies, a pump for the bikes, some Vaseline for the seat. If you're not sure, go and look at my How to Turn a Caravan's double swivel seat. You need Vaseline. Sun cream. As you can see, it's not easily accessible because we don't use it very often. And wet wipes. More biodegradable wet wipes. A first aid kit, which I've checked, and a cover for the windscreen. This is a Van Gogh double blow up mattress that goes on top of the bed here. I've not tried it yet, so I might do a review and let you know what it's like. This is an awning that attaches to my side rail. Again, I think I've put a photograph on Instagram, but I haven't done a proper review how to put it up and stuff because I'm still getting used to it. In here, pans, sprays, a sack for my potatoes, and some tinned goods. I like to have them low down. This is like my kitchen drawer. Don't know if you can see that actually. Washing up liquid, biodegradable of course. Oh, vanish bar, this is super handy. So if the kids spill something, rather than just lobbing it in the wash, which you can't do when you're camping, I quickly use this to try and get it off, and usually you'll get another day out of that top. Tea towels, etc, etc. Cutlery, all nice and clean. This is my water washing up bowl. These are my crisps, take up a lot of space, so I've just put them in there. And then tea, coffee cups, and this is storage for food. I've got my condiments here, and I've just ordered some of those magnetic, what do you call them? Magnetic spice racks, so I'll let you know what that's like, and they can go on there, and then I hopefully will use them more because they're easily accessible. All right, up here, this is where I put my a towel just for a quick wash in the morning. This is like an air freshener spray. These are my kind of slipper socks for when I always have cold feet. So makeup and stuff, toiletries for the kids like hairbrushes, toothbrushes, and this is just cotton wool and a mirror and some cleanser. So that's kind of my morning easy access stuff. I think that does it for today. I look a bit frazzled. If you are interested in a full van tour, I shall put the link below of my full T5 van tour if you want to have a look around, see what it's like if you're thinking of getting one. There you go. Possibly the most boring YouTube video you've ever seen.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.